Hi guys, today we are starting our LLD series. Okay, what is meant by LLD? LLD. It's a low level design series. So before dive into LLD, I will give you an idea about system design. Okay, if any beginner watching this video, they may think system design would be a complex topic. But I will make sure I will teach you in a very super simple manner. So without wasting in time, let's dive into our video. Okay, first thing we need to understand before learning LLD is system design. Okay, what is system design? Okay, this is the main thing we need to focus. First, we need to understand. Okay. System design is the process of planning, structuring, and defining the architecture of software system. Okay, what is mean by this? So, what is mean by this definition? What does this definition tells? Okay, let's think we are building a software system. First, we need to plan. Then we need to give a proper structure for that software, and we need to define the architecture of the software before we coding. Okay, I will explain you in little more clear. Okay, where is my pen? Okay, first we need to understand there are three things in a system design. One is planning. Oh, bad. Where is this? Sorry guys. Okay, three things in our system design. Okay, planning, structuring, and defining the architecture. Okay, define the architecture. These are the three things we need to understand in our system design. So first we need to understand what is planning. Okay, let's take an example of YouTube. Okay, we will plan. If we are building a YouTube like application, we will plan what our software is going to do. In this YouTube example, it should play videos. We can able to upload our videos and search our videos. These are some of the things we need to implement in our system. And next thing we need to plan is who will use our software. Viewers, the audience who are going to play the videos, and creators who are going to create the videos. These are the people will use our software. And next we need to plan what are the features we need to implement in our app. For example, we need account features, video player feature, search bar feature, like that. These all comes under the planning. Okay, next we moving to a structuring. So structuring means organizing the parts of our system. Okay, in our video app we might have video service, user service, search service. These are the way we are structuring organizing the parts, organizing the modules of our app. we use database to store our information. These all comes under the structuring part, and we need to define the architecture. Okay, architecture means connecting the parts, connecting the modules, connecting the components. Okay, when user search the video, the request goes to search service, and search service talks to the database, and then database return the video, and user clicks the video, and that video play. These all comes under an architecture. How will our request moves? Like that system. Okay, these all comes under system design part. Okay, now the system design is divided into two parts. One is HLD and another one is LLD. Okay, we will see little more detail about these sections. Oh, sorry. Okay, HLD and LLD. HLD covers or gives a big idea, big picture about the software. Like for example, overall architecture, how we are implementing. Do we implementing client server architecture or microservice, and how the data is flowing, like that. Okay, I will write down what we comes under HLD. Okay, let's set HLD. HLD comes with modules. Okay, overall architecture. Okay, and data flow between modules. Okay, data flow and tech stack. External interface. Okay, these all comes under HLD part. Okay, we will cover HLD part in another series very detailedly. Now we will focus on LLD. Okay, HLD will give you a big picture about the system, but LLD gives more detailed plan of each component or each module. If we taken the account service or user service, something like that, HLD will I will make clear, little more bit clear. System design, under that HLD, LLD 2 we are divided. In our YouTube system, we are planning modules like account service is there, user service is there, video player service, like that. These all comes under HLD part. It will give a big picture about our app and how we are implementing this. This one going to be comes under LLD part. That means we will get more clear and detailed picture of user service, account service in LLD part. Okay, what should LLD cover? LLD covers, okay, I will write down here. LLD covers class, okay, objects, objects, okay, all designing of class, objects and their relationships. Relationships of class, logics, I mean what logic we are implementing this, So logics, design patterns, database design, DB design, I missed the spelling, sorry guys. Okay, these all comes under LLD. Okay, in short term I will explain you what is HLD and LLD. Okay, HLD equal to what we build, what to build. Okay, so LLD will say about how to build this, okay, this is covered in LLD part. Okay, in our current series we are covering about LLD, right? So what are the things we are going to cover in this LLD series? Okay, first episode of this LLD series is this one. This is covers what is LLD, difference between HLD and LLD, and what we do in both LLD and HLD. And from on the next section we will go little deeper into this. We will see about design principle. So next, in our next session, we will see design principle. Okay, after covering design principle, okay, what if you may ask what are the things comes under design principle? We have solid principles, dry principle, like that. We have 4 types of principle. We will cover all those things, and in episode 3 we will cover about OOPS concept. Okay, OOPS concept is one of the major concept in LLD series. Okay, we will cover that. We are not going to miss anything, guys. We will see you basic to advanced level, crack any interview, like that. And next we covers design patterns. There are 3 types of design patterns. Okay, design patterns are classified into 3 types: creational, structural, and behavioral. Like this we are covered. So we will cover all those things and how to apply in our LLD interviews. We have lots of hands-on practice, guys, so don't miss this series. And next we are moving to next episode. So here we covers UML and class diagrams. Class diagrams. Okay, how to represent the relationship, method, attribute, like all those things. And after covering all those things, you will get little bit idea about all the components inside LLD. And then we are going to solve problems, lot of problems, guys. I will make sure cover many problems. You need to very much comfortable in LLD. So real world LLD problems. LLD questions. Okay, question answer. Okay, guys. And in next part of the, we are not going to stop there, guys, and we are moving further. We will cover interview preparation. So what things do we prepare in interview, how we present LLD, how we approach the questions, like all those things comes under interview preparation. Okay, guys, I think you may clear now, and I will give a little bit introduction about system design, and from next series onwards we will go deep into LLD and cover all those things. I know I have made little